Welcome to Innovative Ways. Introducing the Nokia 9.3 Pureview. It's the Nokia. According to the news, Nokia is unleashing its full power with Nokia 9.3 Flagship smartphone. It could be the first phone to feature under-display selfie camera. This new phone also rocking with the Penta Camera setup with 108 megapixel and ultra-wide lens. Highest quality video recording, that's 8K, and 64 megapixel main lens along with macro lens and depth sensor. It includes 5G on board. Nokia is also betting big in terms of camera, so Nokia is going to do what Samsung and Apple still can't. Let's take a look to the king of features. Here are the features. Simple and symmetric design, 6.2 inches display, 120 Hz display, 240 Hz touch response, resolution 3214x40, 20:9 aspect ratio, 612 GB RAM. $512 GB onboard storage. SD card supported up to 1 terabyte. In-display fingerprint sensor, Corning Gorilla Glass 6, USB Type-C connectivity, reverse wireless charging, ultra-fast charging support, 5G connectivity, IP68 water and dust resistant, HDR10 Plus Sport, Widevine L1 Sport, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, Adreno 650 graphics, Zeiss Optics Penta 108 MP rear camera, dual tone LED flash light, dual selfie camera and 5000 mAh battery. The beauty of life is in detail. The detail is in Nokia 9.3 Pureview. In fact, the Nokia 9.3 is the king of features. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, so please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.